everybody, it's Julie. Thanks for joining me here today. I wanted to share the new Faith Art Box and Faith Art Collection from Creative Retreat Kids. It came out May 1st. It went live, but shipping issues, as the whole world is experiencing, caused it to get delayed to me. So it took me a few days to be able to get this unboxing done, but I wanted to share this kit with you. It is a wonderful topic. It's about my refuge. The devotion is written by Jessica Drews, and it takes us through all kinds of verses in Psalms, 2 Samuel, Proverbs, Isaiah, Joel, Matthew, talking about how God is our refuge. He is our shelter. He is the one that protects us and rescues us. So it's just a beautiful devotional. You have reflection questions, lots of Bible texts that you can study, and you can really dig into this if that is your goal. And it could also be done in a quick setting. So that's what I love about the Creative Retreat kits. This is the devotional. What comes with the Faith Art Box is the devotional in cardstock, and it has this lovely print on the back. There's always a fun print on the back. You get a flare pen, and this one says Dwell on it. This month, the special prize that's in the kit is a stencil. And here, let me do it. It's that same kind of pattern, the wavy print. That is hard to see here. Let me do it on some colored cardstock. There you go. Now you can see the pattern. So that's a fun pattern. Can be used as background. It could be used for journaling lines, wavy, wiggly journaling lines, water print. I mean, this is just a really fun stencil that you can use. So that is the extra that came with the kit. You get a sticker sheet of 32 stickers that has wordfetti, different images, a tag. You always get words in it. You get the wonky hearts and some of the main elements, some of the main images that represent the devotional. So that is the decor sticker sheet. And then you also get 2 alpha stickers. And the color combination is just quite pretty this month with the pinks, the blues, the kind of corals, peaches, and then this maroon, this, kind of a maroon, dark burgundy. So really pretty. Oh, there's also some kind of a mauve violet in there. So beautiful colors, 2 sticker sheets of the alphas, and this is my favorite print. And just to let you know, it does coordinate with this alpha set, the Lucy alpha set, which I will link as well. Now here are a couple of add-ons that you can get. Oh, let me go back. So you can get the actual physical kit, which is now $22. Prices have had to go up with all the materials, with the price of everything having gone up in the world. Yes, this kit has gone up $2. So the Faith Art Box, the actual physical kit is $22. Now you could, especially if you live overseas or you just want to do some a la carte, you can get digital parts of this. You can get the devotional in digital, or you could just buy the digital, or you could just buy the devotional. And then you could say get the faith-filled digitals. So you get a lot of the same images on these digitals. In the digital content, you get 3 pages with some of that wordfetti. What I always love about the digitals is that you get these labels. You get some of the same pieces, but some other ones as well. Some faux washi, all these circles, a couple of the tabs. You get a sheet of pattern swatches that coordinate, and these are really pretty. These can be used in so many ways. And then my favorite is always the full sheet of journaling cards. So you could just get the digital pieces, the digital faith-filled digitals, and purchase the devotional. You could get the devotional in digital. You cannot get the sticker sheets, the alphabets in digital, but you can get these a la carte. And then this can also be purchased individually, or again, if you wanted to get the digital, a lot of those images are over there. The stencil and the flare piece can be purchased. The stencil can be purchased a la carte, not the flare piece. That is just the bonus of getting the Faith Art Box. There is also an add-on that coordinates. It's kind of hard to see. It is a vinyl sticker, and it says, "He is my refuge and my fortress, my God in whom I trust," Psalm 91:2. And that's the verse I'm actually journaling today. Psalm 91:2. It's in white with a clear background, so it would look stunning on a darker color background. I know it's hard to see here. So I will have all these products linked. If you have any questions or comments about this kit, then leave them in the comment section. I hope to have you join me, and I will be making videos for the Creative Retreat YouTube channel, so make sure to check those out. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, be sure that you do, because lots of great content over there. All right, thanks so much for joining me. Take care. Bye-bye.